नमस्कार। Please take your seat. Let me make my observation. Please take your seat. Let me make my observation. My humble request to all the members, you should cooperate with the chair. My two humble request to all of you is that never try to enter into the well of the house. And never try to show the placards. These two things you have to follow. If any member is not following these two instructions, I may not be hearing them. I will not be able to give them any chance, and I will be forced to take action. Please kindly don't do these two things. This is my humble request. Now the question hour. I am coming back to you. Now the question hour. I will come back to you. Let me go to the question hour first. It is question number 191, Shriman Derek O'Brien ji. Now second supplementary, Shri Vijay Sintha Kalia, Vijay Sintha Kalia. Not there. Now, Subhasis Kundia ji.
सर जय जगन्नाथ सर, मैं आपके माध्यम से माननीय मंत्री जी से पूछना चाहता हूं, राष्ट्रीय राजमार्ग परियोजना में यूटिलिटी शिफ्टिंग और स्टैट्यूटरी क्लियरेंस के कारण होने वाली देरी का क्या असेसमेंट किया गया है और इन्हें समयबद्ध रूप से पूरी करने के लिए क्या मैकेनिज्म अपनाया गया है? थैंक यू।
Honorable Minister.
The question of the honorable member is not related with the question, but I want to assure him that anywhere if there is delay in the claims, we will try to make it as early as possible with the transport technology.
Thank you, Honorable Minister. I will ask them to write it to you later. The third supplementary, Srimati Sudha Murthy ji.
Sir, you have built beautiful roads, but there are a lot more accidents because, not for the roads, because the drivers do not drive properly. The drivers get licensed by some methods, and there are a lot of agencies involved in that. Do you have any procedure or any new scheme so that there should be a transparency and actual driving license should be given to the actual method of giving license to the drivers so that we can reduce the accidents on the national highway? Thank you, sir.
Honorable Minister.
Honorable member Sudha Murthy's question is very valuable. In our country, we are highest in the accidents, and particularly it is really a very, very painful thing that every year we have 1,80,000 deaths. There are a lot of reasons. That is with the automobile engineering, we have taken all the measures for that. Road engineering, we have taken the measure. The third is enforcement of law. Already a new act is already there. The most important thing is the behavior of the human being. That is to be important thing. And regarding the reference of honorable member about the driver, in our country we need a good training for the driver. So government have decided to open driving training school in the whole part of the country. We are already giving permission to 300 driving schools. We have the shortage of 22 lakh drivers in the country, and now this is the time. I appeal all the members of parliament that every tahsil place we are now giving driving training school, and that scientific training of the driver is is very important regarding the lane discipline, regarding the rules of the road, and that we can save the accident and life of the people. So we are giving priority for that, and that training given to the drivers, I feel that there will be already some qualitative change is there. Your valuable suggestion is anywhere related with the subject, all welcome, we will consider that.
Now,